Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out a toner on a WorkCentre 7800 series copy machine. Now when changing your toner, the first thing you're going to want to do is open the front cover, find which toner you're wanting to change. In this case, we're going to be changing the black toner. You'll grab it by its handle and you'll pull straight out. Then you'll get your new toner. It'll come in a box about like this. Now the handle says to open the box right here, but I like to open it on the end. It's a little easier. You'll pull your toner out of the box. You'll give it a couple shakes, and then you'll line up your tabs with the holes on the front of the machine. You'll slide it in and you'll hear it latch. And then you just close the front cover and you're back in business. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.